Hi, my name is Nicholas. I'm here at Fox Marquette Chevrolet, and today we're going to show you how to pair your phone using Android Auto or Apple Carplay. So it's a pretty simple process. You start off, open up your settings, go to your connections, and we're going to enable Bluetooth on the phone. Once we've enabled Bluetooth to be discoverable, we're going to go to our Google-enabled home screen, and we're going to slide over to our settings button. Once enabled, we're going to be able to display all of our information to change the info that we want within the vehicle. Within settings, we go to connections, select phones, and add a phone. With Bluetooth enabled, we're going to search for My Chevrolet. At the very bottom of available devices, we select My Chevrolet and it will begin pairing on its own. Check, numbers are correct, so we're not pairing to somebody else's vehicle today. We're going to pair. So now that we've paired our phones, we can actually use Android Auto, in my case, directly on the home screen. So I'm going to go back to the home screen and I'm actually going to select Android Auto as my connection type. I'm then going to select my phone, turn on location services so I can have use of Google Maps as well as all the other features that comes with, enable the settings. Any type of note that comes up that you might need to look over will come up. Please make sure you read all the privacy notices and usage instructions as appropriate. Now I'm in Android Auto. I have full control, in this case, of my phone directly from my car's infotainment screen. So if I want to listen to music, I can open up my music players, I can open up maps, I have full control of it, and I can have hands-free while I'm driving. Now, if you have an Apple device instead of an Android, the system goes the same way. Connect through your Bluetooth. Once you're connected, you select Apple Carplay instead of Android Auto, and then you'll have access to all of your apps and devices. Some will be restricted based on usage instructions and wanting to keep your eyes on the road. Well, thank you so much for joining me to learn a little bit about Android Auto and Apple Carplay connectivity in the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado Suburban in Tahoe. Hope to see you here at the dealership soon, so stop by and see us today at Fox Marquette Chevrolet.